Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled at the edge of a lush forest, there was a young shepherd boy named Alex. Alex had a simple but important job: to tend the village's sheep as they grazed in the meadows. His days were filled with the peaceful rhythm of the pastoral life, but Alex often grew bored and longed for excitement. One afternoon, as he sat alone on a grassy knoll watching his flock, Alex decided to amuse himself by shouting, "Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is attacking the sheep!" His voice carried across the fields, and soon the villagers came rushing with their tools and weapons, ready to fend off the predator. But when they arrived, they found nothing amiss. The sheep were grazing calmly, and Alex was laughing at the trick he had played on them. The villagers, though a bit annoyed, went back to their homes, shaking their heads. Alex, finding the whole situation amusing, continued his day, content with his small act of mischief. A few days later, Alex grew bored again and thought it would be fun to repeat his prank. Once more, he cried out, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is here again!" The villagers, having learned from the previous trick, were initially skeptical but came to his aid once more. They found no wolf and were increasingly irritated by Alex's deceit. As the sun began to set and the sky turned a brilliant orange, Alex grew truly worried. This time, a real wolf emerged from the forest, its eyes gleaming with hunger as it stalked towards the unsuspecting flock. Alex's heart raced, and he shouted with genuine fear, "Wolf! Wolf! There really is a wolf this time!" But the villagers, having been deceived twice before, did not believe him. They thought it was another false alarm. They continued their evening routines, dismissing his cries as yet another prank. Alex watched in horror as the wolf attacked the sheep, scattering them and causing great distress. Finally, when the damage was done and the wolf disappeared back into the forest, the villagers came to see what had happened. They were shocked to find the flock in disarray and Alex devastated. They realized the gravity of the situation and quickly helped him gather the scattered sheep and repair the damage as best they could. That night, as Alex reflected on the day's events, he understood the true cost of his deceit. The villagers had lost trust in him because of his repeated lies, and because of this, he had not received help when he needed it most. He learned a hard lesson: when you lie repeatedly, people stop believing you, even when you tell the truth. From that day forward, Alex vowed to be honest and responsible. He understood that trust was a precious thing, easily broken but hard to rebuild. His experience became a cautionary tale in the village, reminding everyone of the importance of honesty and the consequences of deceit. And so, the moral of the story was clear: a lie may seem harmless at first, but repeated dishonesty can lead to grave consequences when truth is truly needed.